guys, it's here, 2020, the big one, a new decade. It's time to turn over a new leaf of your business and take it to the next level. I'm going to be giving you 5 New Year's resolutions that you can set for your business that's going to help you get to the next level. Now, the first of these is to add more products. To get out there, source a product, and introduce it to your portfolio. Now, this is great because it's going to give you more items to sell, which is going to result in more sales and hopefully more profit. So get out there and expand your catalog, expand the number of SKUs you have, and therefore expand the offerings you have on the internet. My next New Year's resolution for you is to become a multi-channel seller. There's a lot of places out there on the internet where you can sell goods. It doesn't just have to be Amazon or eBay or Walmart. There's literally thousands of these sites. So my New Year's resolution for you is to get out there and find another site or two that you currently aren't on and get your products on there. Some example websites to try to get onto might be Walmart.com. You might want to try to get onto Cratejoy. You might want to try to get on the Newegg. You might want to try to get on Best Buy. But there's tons of these. So get out there and get yourself on another channel. Every channel you add to your e-commerce portfolio is another opportunity to acquire a new customer and therefore make another sale. This is a great way for established businesses to quickly multiply their sales and become more effective in 2020. My next New Year's resolution is to expand your partnership network. As e-commerce sellers, there's various companies that we all work with. Everything from logistics to sourcing to advertising, software, and much more. So this year, I want you to go out and reevaluate all your providers, all your software providers, all your sources, all your logistics providers, and figure out which ones are working for your business and which ones aren't. I then want you to go out there and find that next service provider that can help take you to the next level. You know what they say, it's not what you know, it's who you know. A great way to meet some service providers is to go to conventions or some workshops and get out there in the e-commerce community. A great show to attend would be White Label World Expo or IRCE. You can find us there this year. The fourth way you can make your year more profitable is to find some new customers. Now, this sounds simple on the surface, and it really is, but a lot of people just don't get it. There's 2 ways you're going to be doing this. You're going to be doing it through paid advertising and social media. So a lot of people think there's just pay-per-click advertising and that's it. No, there's all different kinds of advertising platforms and all different kinds of websites that you can host your ads on. It's important to never stop exploring the various types of ads and always perfecting your advertising mix. There are display ads, there's text ads, there's video ads, there's banner ads, there's shopping ads. There's so many different kinds of ads, and most people don't explore all of them. So my New Year's resolution for you is to get out there and try some new ad platforms. And also, try to expand your social network. Get on social media. Get engaged. If you don't have every one of the major social media platforms, you are missing out on one of the key free marketing tools that are at your disposal. Now, where I see a lot of sellers go wrong with social media is that they're not engaged with it. Sure, they're posting pictures. Sure, they're actively being on there, but they're not engaging. They're not engaging customers. They're not engaging brands. They need to get on there and they need to like and comment and follow and actually play an active role in your social media strategy. Finally, my 5th and final New Year's resolution for you is the kit and bundle. Here at Shipmate, we do a lot of kitting and bundling, and we believe that it is the ultimate thing that sellers can do to increase their profitability. We did a whole video entitled The Multiplier Effect. You can find it right here. Go ahead, give it a click. That video will tell you exactly how you can multiply your sales by kitting and bundling. It will give you a way to take what you currently have and transform that into numerous sales that you didn't even know you could have. all without adding any additional products. I hope you guys have a great new year, and I hope that some of these New Year's resolutions will be something that you put into action in your business in 2020. I challenge you to make 2020 the best year your business has had yet, and Shipmate is here to help you do it. Go ahead, give us a like, a subscribe, it means a lot to us, and keep checking out our videos. We're going to be coming at you every Monday during 2020 and walking right alongside you through your e-commerce journey. We hope you'll be there with us and have a happy new year.